me strength to stay awake from dawn till dusk, from dusk till daybreak. Give me strength to stay awake from dawn till dusk, from dusk till daybreak. Breakfast that touches and it takes an eternity for a cup of tea and BLT to arrive in front of me. Milkshakes don't cure headaches, they make me pay for my mistakes of too much drink and little sleep. But